well. I decided to go to the toilet when I was asleep. Thought I'd check on my animals, and my Steely blue is moulting. I always hate seeing them like this. I really do. 'Cause it's a big old deal for them. And it looks like it's just started. Actually, I don't know actually. It looks like its body's raising up a little bit off the ground, so it is pushing itself out. And I did moisten the substrate before. Sorry, the humidity is always high up in here anyway. Wish I could put a time lapse on this. Do you know, there's been so many instances in the past where people have actually thought the tarantula is dead and they've chucked it in the bin, or whatever they've done with it, they've buried it, and it was only moulting. I mean, if you didn't have a clue about tarantulas, you just went to the shop and bought that, and you woke up in the morning and you saw that, you'd be like, well, it's dead. So you just got to do some research before you buy these tarantulas. If they're on the back, upside down, they're moulting. Death kill is a completely different thing. Anyway, I don't want to disturb her for too long. She's going to be massive. Right, if I could put a time lapse on that now and leave it overnight, it'd be great. I just don't know what to do. I'll have to look it up and try it. Cool, that. So, I'll have a present when I wake up in the morning. Should do. Hopefully, she's alright. Should be. Oh, I lost that. Right. There we go. Steely blue leg moulting. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, subscribe. And also, for the ones that subscribe, thank you very much. Thank you.